Okay, so today we are still doing skill 2 only. Okay, children. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Keep
sir.
on responding so that I can move forward little bit fast. Okay. So skill 2 means we have to develop the talent of doing electronic configuration, and for that, children, we required. Did you understand what is electronic configuration? In easier word, you can say arrangement of electrons. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and for that, how many uh, rules are there? Means electronic configuration is guided by following rules of Bau's principle. Next is Hund's rule. Third one is uh, Pauli exclusion principle. Then half filled and full filled stability. LITY. Okay, so complete electronic configuration. We have to at least uh, these 4 rules, 4 principle, 4 concept must be known to us. Okay. So the first one is above principle. Above principle. So he told 2 things, that fill electron uh, in that suborbit first. Fill electron in that suborbit. Fill electrons first that suborbit, like this. You can do like this. Fill electron first in that suborbit. Okay, in that suborbit which has lower n plus L value. Over n plus L value. Okay, and next is, if n plus L value, okay, become same, then fill electrons first okay, first in which n value is lower. N value is lower. Did you understand, children? This is the thing which we have done yesterday. We have calculated n plus L value, and we have find it who has higher value and who has lower value. Did you understand? Are you responding? Ashish, Ansu,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then so we can move to the next one. Then according to Abbau's principle, the following is the energy level of suborbits. Okay, that is 1s, 2s, okay, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, and 7s and 7p. That's all. We require this much only. So you try to fill first electron in 1s. After that, you fill in 2s. After that, after 2s, you fill in 2p, and like this. Whatever the arrow I am showing you. Okay, like this, you have to keep on filling electrons. This is according to Hund's rule. Okay, children. Okay. So tell me, in which suborbit we have to fill electron? First, 1s. Then we have to fill in 2s. Then we have to fill in, keep on filling.
2p.
2.
After 2p,
3s.
3s.
after 3s,
3p.
after 3p.
3d.
See, 3p, after 3p, where is this arrow is showing?
Yes, sir. 4s.
4s. After 4s,
3d.
3d. We have to come back again. Start like this. 3d. After
Yes, sir.
3d,
4p.
good. After 4p,
5s.
after 5s,
4d.
good. After 4d,
5p.
after 5p,
6s.
after 6s,
4f.
after 4f,
5d.
after 5d,
6p.
after 6p,
7s.
after 7s,
5f.
after 5f,
6d.
after 6d,
7p.
7p. Okay. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the energy level order. In this way, we have to fill electron. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See.
Sir, what
And,
about 6f?
what about 6f?
Yes, sir.
We got 3d, 4d, 5d, and 6d. Okay. And 4f, we required 4f and 5f only. So after that, up to this, how many atoms till now we have discovered? Tell me, beta, how many electrons, how many atoms till now we have discovered?
18.
If you have any idea, tell me. Otherwise, I will tell you.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Get an idea, please. Okay, nearly 118 atoms are discovered till now. All natural and synthetic, natural and artificial. Okay. How many atoms, children? Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How many atoms till now we have discovered?
118.
118 only. Means you can say that only 118 type of atoms are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, see what I am going to tell you. You told now what about 6F and all. Okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
that reason I am telling you. So try to understand. Okay. The thing is that in s orbital, how many electrons can be filled? In S, only single box, smallest hotel. S is
Sir,
like this. No?
one. No,
In,
0.
in one orbital, maximum 2 electrons can be filled.
Yes, sir.
2, yes.
So in suborbit, maximum number of electron. Tell me. Maximum number of electrons. How much?
2.
2 electron. P, what do you mean by P? P means triple box.
6.
Total 6 electron. Yes. In D,
10.
10 electron. Maximum electron can be filled 10 electrons. F,
14, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 electrons can be filled. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have atoms up to 118 atom only. So we have only 118 type of atoms. So we have to fill maximum electron is 118 electrons only we have to filled. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
So just see, in S we can fill 2 electrons. This is also S, we can fill 2 electron. In P we can fill 6 electron. Again in S we can fill electron 2 only. 6 P means 6 electron. Here we can fill 2 electron. Here we can fill 10 electron. Here we can fill 6 electron. 2 electron, 10 electron, 6 electron, 2 electron, 14 electron, 10 electron, 6 electron, 2 electron. Please count it how many electrons till now. Here 14 electron, here 10 electron, here 6 electron. Tell me total how many electrons we can fill till here. Tell me. How many electrons we have filled? Join, add it.
118, sir.
It is 118. So because we have after that we don't require actually. So there is no use of 6F till now.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
This film is being continued. If more atom will be discovered, then we will use 6F. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes, suppose 300 atoms are discovered and all, then only we will use. Till then it's not required now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. So start filling electrons. You have to follow this order. Okay. After 1s, 2s, after 2s, 2p, then 3s, 3p, then 4s, then 3d, like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you remember easily?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Either you remember this one, this table, or a shortcut you can do like this. So if you keep on practicing, one day you will get all these things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, right. Problem is, right, electronic configuration of sodium. Okay. Start writing. Sodium, do you know how many electrons it have? Hello?
Sir, electronic configuration will be 281.
Okay. So now I will tell you electronic configuration are of two types. Old one and new one. Okay. Old is 281. This is old pattern. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And when you write in this format, okay, in this orbit, suborbit, orbital, spin, every idea is there, no? So this is more highly updated electronic configuration. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So which one you
Sir,
want?
one
Old?
is
Yeah, so because 11 electrons are there, so first we will come here. So, okay, 2, 2, 4, 6, 10. Up to here only we have to use, children.
yes, sir.
Because up to here we can fill 12 electrons, okay? So no
Yes,
need
sir.
to use, no need
It's
to use the,
CS1.
no use to remaining, no use of the remaining orbitals, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So how we will write electronic configuration? See, we will write 1s, 2s, 2p and 3s because we had idea that only 1, 2, 3, 4 is required. 1, 2, 3, 4 is sufficient for sodium. So in 1s, how many electrons can be filled? That we'll write on the
2,
top, 2. In 2s, how many electrons can be filled?
2,
2. In 2p, how many electrons can be filled?
6,
In 3s, how many electrons can be filled?
1.
The maximum capacity is 2, but now we don't have electrons. This
Yes, sir.
total 11 electrons are there, so we have to stop here only. So this is the electronic configuration of new version.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand better, remaining participants?
Yes, sir.
Can you write? Can you do like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was the problem number 1. Then problem number 2. Write electronic configuration of, okay, calcium. Do you know the atomic number of calcium? How many electron calcium has?
Yes, sir. Sir, 20.
Write
20.
down. Write down. Now go here because see, now start calculating how many, up to what level we required. Hello.
Sir, I solved it.
Good afternoon. Adili. Okay. No problem. I'll do it.
Hello, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
So see, just have a look, get an idea from here. 12 electron here, there here 18, 19, 20. This much is sufficient.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, we will write the electronic configuration of calcium having 20 electron. So we'll start 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. After 3p6, 4s2.
4s2.
This is sufficient. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can write electronic configuration.
Yes, sir.
Remaining participant got idea, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, children, those participants who could not attend today means this concept will be missing from them side, their side, isn't it?
Yes,
I think network problem is going on, no, in Calcutta, Bengal.
yes, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, so do you want to practice some more question or shall I move to another topic? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You want to move to another topic or you want some more examples?
Some more examples, sir.
Okay. Then do this one. Problem. Write electronic configuration of, okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. And radon also. Do you know the electrons? How much electrons are there?
Yes, sir.
How much in helium? In helium, 2 electrons are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In neon, 10 electrons are there. In argon, 18 electrons are there.
18.
Okay. And in krypton, hello, hello. Yes, yes. Regular, regular, regular. Uh, which board you want to prefer? Tell me. Okay, okay. So two ways are there. One is one is NIOS. Okay, okay, and one is Kerala board. Okay, two boards are there. Hello. Regular, regular. Whatever I will do, it will be regular only. NIOS is also a means regular or open school, but it is regular only means distance. So for police, you better if you want to go for government job, okay. So from 10th class, which class you have completed 10th? 10th class Hello, children. Hello. Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
What is the number of Krypton?
36, sir.
36. 36. What is the number of Xenon?
सर जेनॉन का नहीं पता।
नहीं पता है तो 54 याद कर लो। रेडॉन का नहीं मालूम तो 86 याद कर लो। ओके
ओके सर।
चलो बनाओ। लिख रहे हो बेटा? प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो?
यस सर।
ओके Completed? I hope you have written like this for helium. I hope you have written this one for neon. I think you have written for this argon.
Yes, sir.
So in which atom you are till now?
Sir, complete.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर पर जेनियम में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है.
Xenon.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, there should not be any confusion because xenon, see, xenon is having 54, no? So see,
Yes, sir.
because up to 18 already you have completed. 18 means 3p6 up to here. Okay, then again you have to fill in 4s, then 3d, then 4p. See how many electrons it is there. Up to here it is 18. Okay, xenon. In xenon, what is the number? Xenon 36. Okay, so up to here 18, 19, 20, and 10 electron, 30 and 6, 36. It is finished. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so up to here what it was?
Yes, sir.
Argon. Hello. Hello,
Yes,
children.
sir.
Up to here argon, no? So we can write directly here like this also. For xenon, because it is having 36 electron, you can, instead of this, you can write directly argon. Argon is showing electronic configuration of how many electrons? Hello. Hello.
18, sir.
18. And after 18, so till here 18 electrons is completed. After that 4s, 3d and 4p is coming. So you write down 4s2, 3d10 and 4p6. That's all. See, calculate 18 plus 2, 10 plus 10, 30 plus 6, 36. It's coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Or you can write like this. Or you can write like this. You can open this also. 1s2,
Yes, sir.
2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, like this. You can use this one as a shortcut 18, or you can use total. This will be same. Did you understand? Any problem?
No, sir.
If you have any problem, don't hide it. Tell me. Okay.
No,
Uh,
sir. I understand.
Suppose you have seen any electronic configuration, somebody told another type of electronic configuration. So don't get confused. You just ask me. You put the problem in front of me. I will explain everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling you. Just you put your doubt. That remaining responsibility is mine. because some people also write this electronic configuration like this. See, I will tell you. Some people also write like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2pc. First, they will write up to like this only. Then what they will do? 1s is completed, then second orbit is completed, then they will write 3s2, 3p6, then they will write 3d10 complete. They will arrange it, and then they will write 4s2 and they will write 4p6. Did you understand? They will divide
Yes,
in
sir.
they will divide in orbit wise. Orbit wise means you have filled like this only. This is above principle. And after that, they have done a rearrangement after filling the electrons. Did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So whichever you want. So any problem in any electronic configuration?
No, sir.
Okay. What will be the electronic configuration of radon?
Sub 1s
Uh,
2.
Radon, Rn. It is having 86. So directly you can
Yes,
start
sir.
from xenon, because we have because xenon is having a electronic configuration like this, and it gives information about xenon is 36. No, after wait, who is having krypton? No, this electronic configuration we have written
Yes,
for.
sir.
Oh, this electronic configuration we have written for. Hello, hello, children.
Yes, sir.
This electronic configuration of for 36. It's for
Yes, sir.
krypton, not xenon.
Xenon 54 होता है.
या जेनॉन 54 होता है. तो जेनॉन का होगा, पहले हम लोग जेनॉन का लिखते हैं. देखो जेनॉन का क्या होगा. जेनॉन में 54. तो जेनॉन से पहले कौन था? जेनॉन से पहले क्रिप्टॉन तक था ना.
Yes, sir.
तो हम लोग ऐसा करेंगे, डायरेक्ट क्रिप्टॉन लिख लेंगे. क्रिप्टॉन. क्रिप्टॉन कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता है बोलो?
36.
36. और वो 36 कहां तक आता है इस रूल में? इस रूल में कहां तक था वो? ये देखो यहां तक था.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, यहां तक था. ठीक है, यहां तक था. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
अब उसके बाद हम लोग को फिर अब इसमें भरना है, इसमें भरना है, इसमें भरना है. तो कितना हो जाएगा बताओ? कहाँ गया वो? ये देखिए, इसमें अब भरना है 5s2 4d10. फिर क्या आएगा? 5p6. कितना हो गया देखो तो, जोड़ो. 36, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर, 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर और 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर. 6 6 12 13 14 और 3 1 4 और 5 54 हो गया कि नहीं? ये आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
और नहीं तो इसको ऑपरेट कर लो. तो क्रिप्टॉन का तो आप ऑलरेडी मालूम है ना, क्रिप्टॉन का कितना है. तो ये वाला लिख लो पूरा, नहीं तो ये वाला लिख लो, जैसा अच्छा लगे.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, फिर रेडॉन का लिखना होगा. तो रेडॉन में 86 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
तो आप जेनॉन
First
से स्टार्ट करो. जेनॉन विल टेक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर 54. ये देखो यहाँ तक था जेनॉन. जेनॉन यहाँ तक था. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक जेनॉन था ना. ठीक है, अब जेनॉन के बाद हमको किस में भरना है? 6s में, 4f में, 5d में और 6p में. यहाँ तक आना है बस. तो 86 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएगा। भरो।
Yes, sir.
6s में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 4f में 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड 5d में 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन और 6p में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन। गिन के देखो कितना आ रहा है, जोड़ो। 54, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन,
32.
10 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन। कितना आया?
From
5, 6, 7,
86.
86। आ गया कि नहीं आ गया?
Yes, sir.
तो ये है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का तरीका। कर सकते हो आप?
Yes, sir.
तो जब आप रेड ऑन तक कर सकते हो सोचो यहाँ तक कर सकते हो, तो इसके इधर वाला कितना भी दिया जाएगा कर दोगे ना आराम से?
Yes, sir.
ओके। कोई डाउट होने से पूछेगा, कोई भी डाउट होने से। कुछ भी दिल में नहीं रखना है कि ये क्या था क्या नहीं था करके। चलो इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे। आज का क्लास खत्म हो गया है। लेट ज्वाइनिंग मत किया
Yes,
करो
sir.
बेटा, ठीक है? इसका
Sorry,
मैं
sir.
हाँ, और इसका मैं ये क्या बना के लेक्चर बना के मैं डाल दूंगा ग्रुप में। ओके
Yes, sir.
राइट। बाय एवरीबॉडी।
Bye, sir.